Excuse me, Opa. Opa. Excuse me. May I ask a question?
Yan?
Question. By the way, I'm Korean. I'm Korean. Korean.
Asa?
No, I'm Korean. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Asa?
Oso.
No.
Oso lagi uy, mo pag-asa.
By the way, I want to go to Pardo Public Market. Yeah.
Asa ang kuan?
Yeah.
Pardo public market le.
Sir, Mr. Sir. Mr. Lang.
기리미리.
He said like you're gonna go straight in there.
Yeah.
You're gonna go like right turn in there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
You can see the market in there.
Yeah.
A big market. So
Yeah. By the way, I'm Korean.
Indonesian
Yeah.
daw.
Korean.
Indonesian.
I'm Mr. Ho.
Ah?
Mr. Ho.
Mr. Ho.
I'm Mr. Ho.
Oh.
Yeah. What is your name?
Ano sa'yo?
Yeah. What is your name?
Name ba pangan?
Name.
Dili pangan. Name apelyido na loy.
What is your name?
Yan. Talo na lang.
Name.
Ha?
Talo.
Taloy. Okay. By the way, may I ask one more question? I want to go. I want to eat some delicious food, but I cannot find it. Could you please tell me where?
You're gonna go straight in there, then right turn. There's like ano tawag na ni? Atos lubuwa ba? Atos lubuwa.
By the way, I want Pinoy food.
Oh, tis
Famous food.
Oh, anong utos baboy, utos tao, utos baboy day.
Yeah.
Brain of
Brain.
apig. You're gonna saw there
Yeah.
and you eat
What? By the way, what is the famous hotel here? Because I want to stay at the hotel.
Ato at Queensland part, nindot ka
Hotel.
dito part.
Hotel.
Booking ka dito part.
Yung hotel. Yan. Ito.
Dito uy, utson.
By the way, what the name of the hotel?
Yung hotel.
Name.
Yung bahay.
Mohon.
What is that? I cannot understand.
Agtalat.
Come again?
Yung agtalat. Yung agtalat na room.
Uhum ba oy?
What did he say?
I don't know about unsay pasabot niyang duha, wa ko sabot.
Come again.
Kamagin naog oy.
No understand. I
No
speak
understanding.
English.
English dulu.
I want nearest here. Nearest hotel.
Near baloy.
Yeah.
Have you near me? Maogo na loy.
Hindi ko alam.
No?
English?
Yeah, it's okay. English. It's okay because I understand Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Yeah. But saan pinakamalapit na hotel dito?
Yawa.
Pinakamalapit na hotel.
Hindi ko alam.
No alam? How about you, sir? Hotel. What is the famous hotel here?
Queensland.
Queensland?
Oh, nindot ka dito.
How many minutes there?
Mini girls.
Yeah.
Mini girls. If you go there, you go to Juan. In Colonid UP. You pick up a chicks. You go to hotel. It's very nice.
I don't know. I want only a hotel and I want to eat food. Food.
No, you cannot go restaurant. No hotel.
Okay. By the way, because you're so very kind, can I give you money?
Money daw. Happy ba katong happy money?
Happy, money.
No, money like I have peso bill.
Money Pacquiao.
No, money tip. Because
Discuss tip.
no, because you're so very kind.
Okay.
Kind. I want to give you money.
Tanaw li kung bigi bali.
Yeah.
Si madaw tas pindahan li pag-asa li tanaw.
Yeah.
Tanaw ba? Tanaw ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is for you because you're so very kind.
Okay.
The two of you.
Okay.
Share to your friend, okay?
Ayo share li, otay mo li.
Share, okay?
Ayo share. Bangko man na.
Just give to your friend.
Name.
Yeah. That is for you because you're so very kind.
Thank you.
Yeah. What is your name?
Taloy.
Taloy, how about you?
Madman.
Okay. Taga-asa rin mong duha.
Sige, hindi ka pwede atay. Pagdo kami na din amo kay ambot ni Boy. Sige, hindi ka pwede atay. Pagdo kami na din amo kay ambot ni Boy.
Hey, ay kami. Libay. O sa ka, shout out mo duha, shout out ni. Shout out.
Kakak, wame na nakalan.
Okay, go ahead.
Yo, you know what the drill, Madman, YG.
Okay.
Shout out sa mga homeboy diyan.
Oh, it's a prank. Good.